Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kasorkar Meghalaya mentagala penkre ban khot ya krenno ya ka kanhon king atiar na rilom khasi jantia kata kahnyo trap National Liberation Council ni HNLC bat na ka bentagani kasorkar shen kan sathong ru yaki ksyang ban ya kren bat kinoilam jongka HNLC ban wan yalam yaki shikamet jongka jing yakran yasong ya kani layatho do sambot menteri rangba kajalla uba plaston tensong ha ka jing kendo bat ki kattu kat ni kinong pathai khobor ha ka arpoi trek mata bana jemang ar hajar khat khandai.
My humble appeal to all of them is, as I said to you, I keep telling them, I request all of them to follow the footsteps of Mr. Chiris Thankyu. That only comment I can give. So this we will discuss that. I've seen also in the newspaper today. So we'll take a call.
They want to interlocutor.
Sorry?
They want to
Interlocutor.
negotiation.
They wanted that. They wanted that.
Is there any problem for the government to
We will
have that?
No. What we will do is, as I said, we will discuss. We will discuss in the government level. So let us see, and you will be known also once
Cherish
it is
is willing to negotiate.
Sorry.
Cherish has offered.
No, I don't say anything on that. That is his personal opinion also. Of course, he offered himself. So let us see. As I said, we will discuss this in the government. So whatever decision taken by the government, we will let you know. I am telling claim and counterclaim has to happen. It used to happen. But as I said to you, ultimately the conclusion will be only when the law complete its due process. So then only we will be able to, because now we have already entrusted, okay, into all the details of this incident that has happened to the department concerned. So let us wait and then let them come out with all the details, and we'll be able to again further give necessary direction.